Hello everybody, today we're going to subtract rational expressions. We have x minus 5 over x minus 3 minus x plus 3 over x plus 5. Now here the denominators are not the same. So we need to find the least common denominator. The least common denominator in this problem is x minus 3 times x plus 5. So the product of the two denominators. That's because they have nothing in common. There are no common factors. So the LCD is the product of the denominator. Now we need to change each fraction or each rational expression into an equivalent expression that has the LCD in the denominator. So I have x minus 3 in the denominator. I have to multiply by x plus 5 to get the LCD. Now remember, whatever I multiply in the denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator. So it would be best to just use parentheses here. Now we have to do the same thing with the other fraction. Now here I have x plus 5. I need to multiply it by x minus 3 to get the LCD. So again, whatever I multiply by the denominator, I have to multiply by the numerator. So now if you notice, x plus 5, x minus 3, x plus 5, x minus 3, the denominator is the same, which is the LCD. The order of these does not matter. The product would be the same. So now, if I want, I can go ahead and combine them under one fraction. So x plus 5, x minus 3, that's your common denominator. And then you have x plus 5 times x minus 5 minus x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now you need to distribute or do FOIL, or if you can remember, this is a plus b times a minus b. What's a plus b times a minus b? If you multiply them, that should give you a square minus b square. You can go ahead and if you want to do FOIL, you should be able to get that. So in our example, x plus 5 times x minus 5, a would be x and b would be 5. So a square minus b square would be x square, this is b, sorry, x square minus b square minus 5 square or 25. Okay, so this, if you multiply and if you do FOIL, you should get x squared minus 25. But I hope you won't have to do that. You realize it's a product of the sum and difference of two numbers. So it would be x squared minus 5 squared, which is x squared minus 25. And you have the same thing here. X plus 3 times x minus 3. So it's a product of the sum and difference of two numbers. So in this case, what I have is my a, it would be x, and my b would be 3. So the answer is x squared minus 3 squared, or x squared minus 9. If you notice, I put parentheses here because I have to. This is multiplied. There's an invisible 1. Negative 1 is multiplied by all of this. So if you were to distribute, negative 1 is multiplied by x squared, and negative 1 is multiplied by negative 9. The denominator remained the same, x plus 5, x minus 3. And let's go ahead and simplify the numerator. You have x squared minus 25. Distribute the negative. You can imagine the negative 1 here. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 1 times negative 9, that's plus 9 over x plus 5 times x minus 3. So if you notice here, the x squared minus x squared cancel out. And what you have left, you have negative 25 plus 9. Negative 25 plus 9 is negative 16 over x plus 5 times x minus 3. You can also leave the negative at the fraction bar here. This is your answer. Negative 16 divided by x plus 5 times x minus 3. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next time. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.